Hello and welcome to a new lesson from Izzy. Today we will see a communication lesson about suggestions. Well, to suggest means to offer an idea or plan for people to think of. And to make suggestions, we use some expressions like let's, why don't we, why not we, what about, how about, shall we? To respond to a suggestion, we either accept or decline it. Now, to accept, we can say, that's a good idea, that sounds good, or thanks, I'd love to. To decline or refuse that offer, we can say or use different expressions like I'd prefer that but not that, that's a good idea but I'm not sure, maybe not. Remember, we have to stay polite while refusing that offer. Now let's try to use these expressions in an example. For example, shall we go to the cinema? Shall we go to the cinema? If I want to accept, I like the idea, I would say, yes, that's a good idea. Or if I want to decline it, I will say, maybe not, maybe next time, I'm not sure. Remember, we can use the same sentence differently. For example, previously we said, shall we go to the cinema? But we can also say, how about going? So I'm using another expression with the same verb. Shall we go? How about going? Here, when I use how about, I will use the gerund. The gerund is the verb plus ing. Go plus ing. Going. How about going? Or I can also say, how about we go to the cinema? Shall we go to the cinema? How about going to the cinema? Julia, wait please. Yes? Oh, Sarah, how are you? I'm good, and you? Me too. So what are you doing here? Nothing, I've just finished my work and have some free time. Shall we go shopping together? I'm not sure. I have to finish my project. Maybe next time. So why don't we go to the cafe and talk about your project? Yes, that's a good idea. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Here we are. Yes, finally. So let's drink some soda. Or maybe not. You know, I'm on a diet. I just can't. I see. How about drinking some coffee? Yes, I'd love to. Thank you. Okay. Now, let's make a review. To suggest, we can say, let's. How about? Shall we? Why don't we? Now, to accept, we can say, that's a good idea, that sounds good, I'd love to, or why not? Now, to decline an offer, we can say, I'd prefer, that's a good idea, but I'm not sure, maybe not. So far we have seen how we can make suggestions, how we can give offers to others to think of, and also we have seen how we can respond, either how to accept them or to refuse them. So if ever you have any suggestions for me to better the videos and lessons, please leave them in comments below the video. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Take care.